Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Kia Stinger GT line. Really nice car. I'm a huge fan of the Stinger. I always have been, always will be. With the incoming 2022 fully redesigned Stinger, there are no changes for the 2021 model year. $39,875 is the sticker price on this one. Plenty of room out back. Snow white pearl with the red leather interior. Sun and sound package, which is the Harman Kardon in the sunroof, and then carpeted floor mats. Yeah. Looks like there is a subwoofer under the seat, which is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Do have GT line embroidered up on the headrests, as well as down bottom. For 2020, the GT line took over the 2-liter Stinger trim, and it's now become the GT line and the GT. Really love these things. They're just so nice inside. Previously only available on the GT. The GT line Stingers also get launch control. I haven't ever used it just because I'm not going to launch control a brand new Stinger. But no, I've heard it works really well. We're going to go ahead and go into manual mode for this pull. You have two methods of manually shifting. You can use the actual shifter, or like I'm going to use, the paddles behind the wheel. I mean, the Stinger is one of my favorite cars on sale today. It says a lot, you know, that I almost bought one of these instead of my Challenger. It's pretty good. It's crazy good for the money. Under $40,000, I can't think of another car I would have over this. That's saying a lot, guys. It honestly is. I'm going to go straight, show you guys the turning circle. Keep in mind, this is an all-wheel drive sedan, so let's go ahead and test it out. See if we can turn around right here. Oh, yeah. The GT line Stingers do lease for really cheap money. I've seen them under $300 a month, which is pretty crazy in my mind. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.